Adam Sandoval. I'm the owner of the K River Campground, motorcycle enthusiast, and philanthropist. Motorcycles were a passion of mine ever since my first mini bike as a little kid. It was a homemade built motorcycle, but it gave me that feeling of two wheels, and it was a feeling that has stuck with me my entire life. In the beginning of my motorcycle career, it was all about reaching the destination, raising money for charity, and breaking world records. For me, the transition was pretty smooth from motorcycles to power sports. We've built a bunch of trail systems around the K River Campground that our guests are able to use, and they bring everything out here from dirt bikes to side-by-sides and four-wheelers. I love power sports for the exact same reason I love motorcycling. It's the combustion, it's the power, it's the throttle, and it's a good time. When you're out there and you've got a machine and it's firing on all cylinders underneath you and it's taking you where you want to go and you're picking your lines and you're picking your routes or you're picking your journey, there's just nothing like having that power underneath you, carrying you and having full control of it. It's an adrenaline rush for me. It lets me be free. Power sports will always be part of my life. When you're riding all the time, things are under constant wear and constant stress, and knowing that those are gonna break, it's important to have a preventative maintenance schedule and to stay ahead of it the best you can. So here at the campground, I've got 31 engines that need to be running at all times. And luckily, Techron makes a product for every one of these machines, from my tractor, to my sawmill, to my motorcycles, to the side-by-sides, to my personal truck. Every one of the engines here on this campground has to be running because they're all used for work. Whether it's work equipment here at the campground or motorcycles for me to make YouTube videos across the country, these machines got to perform or we can't do our job. And that's why I like Techron. It gives me the peace of mind that my machines are gonna start and run, whether we're grinding out some work days or we're out having fun.